Okay, this is my early 1999 7.3 diesel. It's not running right now. I got my other truck hooked up to it, to the battery. But my engine back pressure is reading 53 psi right now, and it's off. I don't think that's right. I think that needs to be 0 because it's not running. Same thing with my engine oil temperature input. What happened was these two sensors, I pulled them out and I set them on my tailgate, and the next morning they had gotten rained on. So I'm wondering if, I don't know why that would affect those sensors, because it's just a diaphragm. It's just a little, it's a little brass diaphragm, and well, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'll probably change those out. I've turned it over once, it didn't start. Engine control volts, duty cycle, PSI. So we're going to try it out. This is with the early 90s model high pressure oil pump with the check valve. So we're going to try it out. So granted, it is 30 degrees outside, and I just changed the oil to some new oil, and it's pretty stiff. So I think this might take a while. I think my starter and my batteries are pretty weak. That's why I have my other truck hooked up to it. It's got new batteries in it, but you can hear the starter. It's pretty slow. So let's see if we can't build up pressure again here. Come on, baby. I might not have any fuel in there. And it stalled on me. Getting enough PSI. Well, she stalled on me. Seeing, I don't know why I can't read my stinking fuel pressure. Doesn't even have that option. Let's try it again. I'm gonna get rid of that, unplug that back pressure. It's just air in the lines or something. It's probably a mixture of old diesel. I think I've had the diesel in here since the summer, so it's not the winter stuff, and it's pretty cold out, but it doesn't feel like all my injectors are firing. I'm getting a bunch of white smoke out there. But as you can see, the high pressure oil pump from a 1994 and a half is working on a early 1999 model. So that myth has been busted. Appreciate y'all. Show you my trucks. There's my 97 7.3. Technically it's a Super Duty. That's what they call it. But it's not one of these Super Duties. So tranny's wearing out. It's got a good engine on it, about 90,000 miles. And there's this dually, got about 180,000. Two-straight truck. Boy, she's smoking bad. And there's my overhaul. Rebuilt engine, tranny, rebuilt everything. Fun truck. So those are my trucks. Appreciate y'all.